What's up, party people? Android Stud here. Now, I have the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and this is the live focus video on the front-facing camera. So I kind of just wanted to see how it sounds, how it looks. It's got that, Bocalicious going on in the back. I got some beautiful landscape going on, but it's me in full effect, man, right here. I'm the stud, doing my thing, pure Android. You know how we do. So I kind of just wanted to see what you guys thought about it, how it looks, how you feeling it. Moving around a little bit, giving you a little gravy train on this. But hey, man, look, this is the front facing camera on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus Aura Glow Edition. I'm out of here. I just want to give you guys a little taste of that Bocalicious in the back. All right, man, I'm out of here. You know where to find me. Android Stud on Instagram and Twitter. Right here on the tube. Subscribe to that channel, man. Hit that like button. Hit that thumbs up. Subscribe, man. Be part of the party, people. I'll catch you guys later. The front-facing camera on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus live focus video. Peace.